Can you give us an idea of how soon you think the nationwide lockdown will actually end?
Thank you for your kind invitation. I mean, we started the lockdown at the beginning of March, and it was the 9th of March. We plan gradually to easier our strict measures beginning March the 4th. This means that we will start with the industry like automotive, food, agriculture, fashion, and so forth, and gradually then we will start all the other things. Obviously, to restart, you need to do this gradually with some other measures like distancing from people, like protective shirts, and some rules. This to avoid other outbreaks or waves like we observed at the beginning of this crisis, and to protect who is working and the rest of the population. We cannot jeopardize what we have done with the lockdown that saved thousands and thousands of lives.
So can you give us more specifics on how you would reopen? Is it certain sectors first that would reopen with very strict health and safety concerns? So you're talking about, the distancing. Is it also wearing masks at work?
Yes, exactly. I mean, I think all industry or who is able to create distancing in the space that they work, using the mask, or changing the timing of working, increasing smart working even if it's necessary, etc. I think they can restart. The most important thing is warranty the health system outside the working place with the territory medicine increased. So it's not just a matter of industry or what's opening, for example, but it's important how you can check if somebody comes back positive. Because we need to stop outbreaks. So this means contact tracing, number of swabs, etc. So it's not just the simple store that needs to be reopened, but it's creating conditions all around it to check if somebody turns to be positive during the reopening then. So it's a system. So we will
Why did the virus hit Milan?
Sorry?
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I didn't
go
hear
ahead,
you.
finish. Starting May?
No, we will start
I
at the beginning of
interrupted you.
May, and this will be... No, I was saying that we will start starting the May 4th, and then gradually, I believe we will be back. I will not say a normal life, a complete normal life like we can imagine before this virus, but gradually we will be back to our life. Obviously, if you have a restaurant, a cinema, a theater, I think those will be at the beginning still closed. Probably a restaurant not, but a disco or a pub will be a little bit harder. It depends on how you can organize within the store the distancing, etc. Then there is the sanification of the place. Then if you ask me, can you restart football games? I would say not. I mean, you cannot reopen the stadium for people, or the school. We are not going to reopen the school in few months. I mean, I think we need more time.